Hello, this is Aniket and welcome to Living Virtuously. Alright, so did you know that the word life has different meanings? Now, it's an absolutely interesting fact that is the different world philosophies has given their own perspective and meaning to the word life. For example, Platonism is the philosophical system of the philosopher Plato. Now, Platonism gives meaning to the word life as learn and grow in knowledge. Aristotelianism, that is the philosophical system of the philosopher Aristotle. Now, Aristotelianism describes life as work to be good and live well. Epicureanism. Now, Epicureanism is the philosophical system of the Greek philosopher Epicurus. Now, Epicureanism looks at life as live life free from pain and suffering. Stoicism. Stoicism is a school of philosophy by the philosopher Zeno. Alright, so now Stoicism attributes the meaning of the word life as be logical, wise, and don't suffer. Now, these are only few examples of the various and different world philosophies and their respective meaning of the word life. Okay, now read my article, The Meaning of Life According to the Different World Philosophies, to know and learn more about this topic and subject. In that article, I have written the meanings of life, that is the word life, according to 16 different world philosophies. When you read that article, I'm sure you will enjoy reading that and you will also end up learning something interesting and fun. Thank you. And also I'm sharing the article link in the comment section.